Have you ever wondered how a robot learns to do things? Let's step into the world of virtual reality and find out. Here we have a robot arm, and its job is to sort these colorful objects. See the cubes and spheres? The goal is to put them into the right bins. It sounds simple, but how does the robot know what to do? It all comes down to logic. Think of it like giving the robot a set of instructions. We can use simple logic blocks to tell it exactly what we want. For example, we start with a basic rule. If the object's color is red, then place it in bin A. This is our starting point, our first hypothesis. The robot reads this rule and gets to work trying to follow our command. Now let's watch what happens. The robot picks up a red cube and success. It goes right into bin A perfect. But wait, what's this? It's grabbing a blue sphere now, and it's putting it in bin A as well. That's not what we wanted. This is a classic bug in our program. But don't worry, this is actually the most exciting part of the process. It's where the real learning happens for both the robot and for us. Mistakes aren't failures, they're opportunities to improve. We saw the problem, so now we go back to our logic. Our first rule was too simple. We need to be more specific. Let's adjust it. We'll add another condition. Now the rule is, if the object is red and it's a cube, then place it in bin A. We can also add a new rule for the blue spheres. With our new and improved instructions, let's run the test again. The robot picks up the red cube and places it in bin A. Great. Now for the blue sphere, and it goes into the correct bin this time. Fantastic. We've successfully debugged our program. This whole process is a powerful cycle. It's a loop of designing, testing, and improving. You create an idea, you test it out in the real or virtual world, you observe the results, and then you use that information to make your idea even better. This iterative process is at the heart of science, engineering, and problem solving. It's how we turn simple ideas into amazing innovations. So next time you're working on something, remember these 3 simple steps: design, test, and improve. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.